In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a CoNLL table and how to understand its content. To create a new CoNLL table, you have to click this button, Compute CoNLL Table via Stanford CoNLP. You have two possibilities to create one. You can create multiple CoNLL tables, analyzing all the text files in a folder, or you can analyze just one. In this video, I'm going to analyze multiple files and create a CoNLL table for each of them. Then I'm going to import one of the CoNLL tables in BCAs and show you its content. If you choose to run the Stanford CoNLP to create multiple CoNLL tables from text files in a folder, first you have to make sure that the input folder in the form, here, contains the documents that you want to analyze. Let's run now the Stanford CoNLP on a set of files in this folder. We choose yes. So now that all the files in the input folder have been processed, we can click OK. And now import one of the CoNLL tables that we have created by clicking again on the Compute CoNLL table and now choosing Yes to import a new CoNLL table. We select the file. Those are all the CoNLL tables that have been created. I can select one. And now the file has been imported in BCAs as user table. We can open the table by clicking on Open User Table and clicking on Open CoNLL Table. We select the table and here we go. You can see all the data in the text file. The first column, ID, contains the ID of each token in one of the sentences. Like shortly is the first token of this sentence, after the second one, and so on. The form column contains the token from the text. The lemma contains the lemma of the token. The lemma is the canonical form or the dictionary form of a set of words. In English, for example, run, runs, ran, running are form of the same lexeme with run as the lemma. For example, here we have says that becomes say. The post tag column contains the part of speech tag of the token. You can read the tips file for more information about the notation used. Anyway, this column indicates if a token has been recognized as a noun, verb, adjective, and so on. We see here that say has been recognized as a verb, white as an adjective, and so on. The NER column contains the name entity tag corresponding to the current token. If a token has been recognized as a person, for example, this column will contain the person value. The Stanford CoNLP recognizes the categories person, location, date, or number. If it doesn't recognize any of those entities, NO will be put in the corresponding cell for the token. Let's see now, for example, Wele has been recognized as a person. The head and deep-rel columns contain the relation between the tokens in the sentence. The deep-rel column contains the relation existing between the current token and the token with the ID in the head column. So, for example, shortly is in this relation with the token says that has ID 6, is another modifier of the verb says. That's all for the CoNLL table. For more information, you can look at the tips files, and thank you for your attention.